Have you ever wondered how digital designs turn into real-world products with such precision? The answer lies in CAM, computer-aided manufacturing. CAM takes the designs created in CAD software and converts them into precise instructions for machines like CNC mills, lathes, and 3D printers. In short, CAD is the plan, and CAM makes it real. This connection bridges the gap between the idea and the finished product. Modern CAM systems do more than just guide machines. They ensure accuracy, efficiency, and speed in production. CAM reduces errors, minimizes waste, and allows for mass customization, meaning factories can produce complex, personalized parts quickly without sacrificing quality. From aerospace to automotive, CAM is everywhere. Think of jet engine parts with tiny tolerances, or custom medical implants designed for individual patients. CAM ensures that what's on the computer screen is exactly what comes out of the machine down to the smallest detail. In modern manufacturing, CAM is the crucial link that transforms digital designs into physical reality. Without it, the efficiency and precision we see in today's industries wouldn't be possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunshine Digital Services for more insights into design and manufacturing.